How to change taskbar icon size in Windows 11. First, open Start and type Registry Editor. Right-click it and select Run as Administration. Expand HKey Current User. Expand Software. Expand Microsoft. Expand Windows. Expand Current Version. Expand Explorer. Right-click Advance and click on New and select 32-bit. Press Enter. Now open it. Change the value to 0 if you want small icon. Change the value to 1 if you want medium size icon. Change the value to 2 if you want large size icon. For me, I am selecting value 0. Now right-click Taskbar and click on Task Manager. Locate Windows Explorer. Select it. Click on Restart Task. Now you can see my taskbar size was smalled. Change the value to 1 if you want medium size icon. Change the value to 2 if you want large size icon. Guys, please like and subscribe my channel.